Okay, we're going to do a first bench test of the electronics for the tentatively named Kerbal 5 rocket. Trying things a little bit differently than I've done before. I've got the Raven altimeter here, but on the ends, instead of doing terminal blocks, I've just driven machine screws through the bulkheads, crimped ring terminals onto my igniters, and then just fasten them down with wing nuts. That'll be easier to deal with in the field, I think. The only drawback is that I won't be able to use a metal quick link on the end eye bolts here, because it'll run a risk of shorting out those terminals. So when I rig this for flight, the Kevlar cord will just be knotted around the eye bolts. This has the pin switch, as I've shown before. I'm going to pull the pin on this, let it power up. It's powered by a 9-volt battery. It's on the back of the sled. Okay, nothing went off immediately. That's good. If I've run my wires correctly, I think these are going to go off in order from right to left. So we've got apogee, backup apogee, main, and backup main. Go over here. See if I can do this and film at the same time. Try to connect to my altimeter. And it's connected. It stopped beeping. That's good. Go over here to the test tab. This is just the factory default configuration. Enter flight mode. It's going to start beeping. I'm going to simulate our ignition. Let it go to a couple thousand feet, then burn out. We're going to top off here pretty shortly. See if we get some fire. Seems to startle me. That's the apogee and backup. Coming back down now. It'll be a few seconds. Coming through 5,000 feet in my simulated flight. I think the main's going to go off at like 700. That was supposed to be 2.5 seconds between the apogee and the backup. I don't think I got my 2.5 seconds. I have to look at that. Coming through 2,000 feet. Be coming up pretty soon now. 1,300, 12, 11, 10. Go off about 7. There's the main. And it's simulated the main working and putting the parachute out, so there's the backup. And it looks like everything worked. Good test.